Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome to Bikepacking Adventures with me, Richard Lake.
Come on, move along. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow.
So let's throw that route up on the screen. Quite a few hills in there, plenty of double track across fields and things. Depending how quickly the frost lifts, depends how much of the route I can do today. Let's just see what happens really. Like most people, I love seeing frost and snow on the ground, especially here in the UK, because it just brings out many childhood memories. It's really great to see. Obviously you can't get out to ride in it much, which is why I got the gravel bike. You know, I can go a few more places. Okay, still fall off on black ice, but it allows you to get out there a bit more.
Rolling on the highway, wow! Come on, and move along. Come on, I said, babe. I said, babe. Oh, honey, come and move along. You gotta feel it.
Could be a lot of ice down here, icy puddles.
Gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you gotta feel it. On the road.
I'm just hoping when I get out onto the Wolds, the roads that we travel on mostly to be in the sun. What ride food do you got? I can tell you, I've got no ride food today. Only one water bottle as well. Plan is stop in Binbrook, about 45 kilometres, get fed there, and then finish the rest with full stomach. Time to warm up now, and to think forward about for a while. I'm like, what do I take off? What do I take off? And decided arm warm as it is. As I'm recording this today, down in the southwest of England, there's a mass protest against the banning of wild camping in Dartmoor, where you could previously and legally wild camp, and now that right to wild camp has been stripped away. And for those who have an opinion on it, please let me know down in the comments below what you make of it all. Well, it's looking pretty green on these eastern slopes. Very pretty day as well. Look, absolutely no clouds in the sky or anything. Just, you know, quite deep frost overnight, hard frost. It's always hard to dress effectively this time of year, so I've taken my base layer off, taken my gilet off, and I just had to get a bit more creative. I just shoved it into the bottle cage there, moving the tall one to the bottom. Because I know once I start going up the North Elkerton climb, it's going to be absolutely roasting going up there. Now up the road is the Bomber Memorial, heading towards Binbrook, via a series, which I'll put on the screen right now, via a series of bridleways. It's been quite interesting for me actually. And then there's a long stretch which just comes off the switchback. He's done it again, continued when he really should have taken back. Just have to push my bike all the way along there. It actually got clogged up. So believe it or not, I've taken most of the mud off the bike, cleaned my cleats up, and hopefully I can get going again. And hopefully there's nothing more like that, because that was horrendous. Been here for like quarter of an hour just cleaning me the bike. I wonder what the rest of the day is going to bring. I'm hoping I'm not too dirty, I can get in the shop. Still not got to that downhill bit. Must be coming up, hopefully on the road. This is a great view from up here. Bit of bench there, look. Well, if I was not field being ploughed, it was well worth it. To make it to Market Reason, had a drink, got a scone in my back pocket, sausage roll, packet of crisps, ready to get going again. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the complete distance. It really depends on what the terrain turns into. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon, so I've got 3 hours of light, 55k, 3 hours before the sun goes down. It's not all off-road, there's only short sections of off-road, but it all slows you down, doesn't it? Hope you've enjoyed watching this video so far. Are you subscribed to the channel? If you're not, now might be the time. You know, if it's a bit warmer, stop and start shooting, put the camera on a bench, on a fence, right in towards the camera, but it's too cold for that boat malarkey. Oh. Right, yeah, back onto the thick fingered gloves after changing 3 times now. Right, let's get moving. So I'm just heading towards Ludford now. Been carefully negotiating some frosty sections. Luckily black ice has gone hours ago. So I'm going to be heading from here back north on the High Street Road for a short while before returning on a couple more gravel sections. I wanted to talk about these big longs. So these big longs, I've had them for about 4 years now. I think it's probably going to be their last winter. They're all covered in dead skin, but no one's here to see me. Only you guys at home, so I can get away with it. Covered in dirt now, shit, and I think the chamois worn away. So it's amazing how quickly mud can reattach itself to your bike. So I've just come across that field there, and there's a little bit of a dip, kind of a divider line between like 2 fields. The other side, I did the sensible thing, got off and just lifted my bike off, walked 20 metres. This side I didn't. Of course, it's got stuck to it like super glue really quickly. Hello sheepies. I don't know if Adam Watkins would be proud of me or not. Looks like I've appeared to have stumbled on a 5G tower. Right, downhill now. For how long I don't know. So I'm just the other side of Statenley Vale. I think there's a couple more off-road sections and then back on the road. That'll shine up for that final bit. I'm heading into Rufford. I've had a bit of a change of plan. It is 3:20 and you can see where the shadow is on the trees there. It is going down already, losing that light, and it's still cold, so it's going to freeze over quite quickly. So I'm cutting a bit of the ride off. So it's not going to be 100k today. I don't know, it's going to be about 85 or something like that. I think it's a wise decision. Started the ride at 10:30. I wanted to start earlier, but as you saw lots of frost around, so I'd rather take the wise decision, not risk it. It's still winter, got the rest of the year to enjoy myself. Yeah, it's much too. Still gonna make mind of what I'm gonna do tomorrow. See what the weather's got in store. It may be another day, just like today. We're all on march. freezing. Oh my god, it's so cold. That's a great ride, that. Really enjoyed myself. So I'm home now. I was going to film some more, but my GoPro was complaining that the SD card was full, and when I got home it actually wasn't, so I don't really know what happened there. But a great day of riding, got some good distance in, you know, got a bit of climbing in there, learned some new gravel routes, learning some new tracks to put into new rides. So yeah, I'll be checking out some of those again. That earlier section across the field though, where I was hiker biking, no, won't be doing that one again. Probably just time of year though, the field was all ploughed up, and I've checked this evening and I could have gone around it and joined onto that point without having to go through there. Anyway, I'm going to take a quick look at the ride by the numbers. 4 hours and 29 minutes of rolling time, 85 kilometers and 735 meters of elevation. So there you go folks, hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, now might be the time. That's it for me folks, until the next one, I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.